In this video, we will show you how to assemble the state-of-the-art PowerStack chimney system. Make sure the flanged female end points downstream. Flow direction is indicated on the label. Check the graphite gasket for damages. Do not apply any sealant. Position male and female ends with graphite gasket accurately sandwiched in between. Position two faces of U-band together and loosely connect them with the supplied bolts and double nut. Open U-band from unconnected side and align the grooves with the flanges. Tighten the U-band evenly over the flanges, going from side to side. Tap lightly with a mallet if necessary. The U-band will compress the graphite gasket and seal the joint, so it remains pressure and liquid tight. This PowerStack joint system is truly unique. The graphite gasket is inert to temperature and corrosion and will not degrade over time, unlike silicon gaskets and sealants. And it will not crack during expansion and contraction. This is what makes this chimney system so suitable for use with condensing boilers, steam boilers, emergency generators, just to mention some typical applications. And it is also approved for use as grease duct. Provided the graphite gasket is properly installed, the joint is covered by a 5-year performance and leakage guarantee. Detailed terms are available from Enevex. This joint system is used on all EPS models, no matter insulation thickness or diameter. After tightening the band from both sides, the fit is perfect when the mounting flanges at each end of the U-band are mating tightly. If joining insulated chimney, wrap insulation around the joint. For outdoor installations, apply clear sealant to the grooves in the outer skin. Position outer channel band edges into the outer skin grooves and secure with the 2 snap locks. It took us less than 2 minutes to assemble this 10-inch double-wall chimney joint.